My name's Rick Sasser. I'm with Solar Farm Cleaning Service. We have been cleaning commercial, industrial, utility scale sites for 6 years now. We have slowly built our business over time, and it's just about a year-round cleaning thing right now. We clean an average of 75 to 100 sites a year, just like this one here. They can run 5,000, 10,000 panels, 20,000. We did a site with 300,000. So you got to have a good piece of equipment to do it. The SunBrush is definitely it. We operate out of Georgia, but honestly, we clean anywhere in the Southeast. On our rooftop division, we go from Texas to Illinois, New York, all the way down to Florida, and just about anywhere in between. We've been using the SunBrushes for 4 seasons now. Started off with a different brand, and it was the soft brush, and it didn't clean as good as the bristles do. I guess that's why they have a Lieberman mop, broom. Those are the best ones to sweep with. The SunBrush, it does it like it's supposed to. It has the floating arm. You can hit a pothole, don't have to worry about breaking a panel or running your brush into it. The floating arm is amazing. I wish it was a hilly site or bouncer you could see in action. It has saved several panels from being broke, and honestly, it does a better clean because of the even pressure all the way across the panel. The soft brushes, it wouldn't clean. It still left a percentage of soiling. This is a site that we clean every 12 months. It is under contract for us to clean, and we must use the DI water. This site here is not too dirty because it is kept up annually, but there's some other sites that we do annually that are across from peanut farms and farmland all the way around, the airports, residue, crop field spraying. I can go on and on about that, but the trick is get a 12-month contract so you're there every 12 months. They'll be peak performance because they'll be super clean. When you come back next year, you get to do it again. The Multi-One tractor is articulating in the middle. It only has a 60-inch width path, and you can put spacers and get 64-inch. But on tight turns, these are spacious rows, believe me, but there's some sites where we can barely get the piece of equipment down. And so the smaller, narrower it is, the better it is. The Multi-One, this machine's got about 2,000 hours on it. We've had that one same time we bought the brushes, was 2021, 2022. As you watch as he comes down this hill and the panels will go from 1 2-foot to 8 10-foot, he's gonna come down and then we're gonna move the boom up and down so you can truly see the experience of the floating arm. By him doing that is the same thing as hitting a 2-foot pothole or a rut or going through a big swell. There you go, up and down, see there? That brush is still 100% on the panel. If you don't have that and hit a dip, a pothole, or a swell, you better have good control of your brush. This makes it operator errorless. That up and down, see there? Brush stays on the panel the entire time. That's how you get a truly good clean. If you are manually holding that brush in place, I highly recommend getting a SunBrush so you won't have to. There you go, folks. 8, 10 foot off the ground to the bottom of the panel. Add another 6 foot, you're way up there right now. And the SunBrush does it effortlessly. How you like that for precision? It's got a bunch of grease fittings. You grease it every once in a while, supposedly daily, but honestly we do it about 3 times a week. I've never had no problems with it. The only problem that maybe is I think we blew out one of the pumps on the end one time that turns the brush, but heck, that thing spun 4 years and had to go sooner or later anyways. So now I keep an extra one on hand when that happens. but it may be 4 more years before I need it. There's really no maintenance to it. It stirs up so much dirt, we have to wash the glass on the machine a lot, especially on windy days. I blew one hydraulic line on one of the assemblies 2-3 years ago. Simple fix on the side of the road.